Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. This is supposed to be a genuine 100% A as in Apple 1405 battery for Apple MacBook Air 13-inch. Model is A as in Apple 1496 or A as in Apple 1466 or A as in Apple 1377 or A as in Apple 1369. So I got this out of eBay for $37 and free shipping, but with the tax and everything, it's about $40 and then 24 cents total. So let's go and then open this up. It's supposed to come with the two tools. So I don't see the tool of what is inside. Okay, I was like, what? I only see one tool. So there are two tools. Looks like the star tool. So let me turn on the light. So yeah, it doesn't specify T6 or T5 or T4 or whatever, so. And then I come with this instruction for a laptop battery. Come with this silica gel. So yeah, I'm not sure if this is original or not, so go ahead and open this up. So yeah, I would need to remove my old original one in order to do some comparison, because last time I did the MacBook Pro and it seems like it is a fake one, so. But it smells like a original one, so. And then this is a connector right here. But this sticker kind of gave me like a fake impression, so. Anyway, I will need to install it and then test it out for you guys. Well, anyway, hopefully you guys give it a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. But be sure to stay tuned for the installation video. Thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.